Once upon a time, a couple of YouTubers, influencers,
Oh, yes.
came up with an idea. Project Metalhead, starting with Drain Plug Garage in Michigan, going to northern Minnesota, Bemidji, and now finding its way here to central Minnesota. We need more rain. So, let's crack this guy open.
We found a wary traveler.
Found a wary traveler. So, we've got feet. We've got legs. We've got some notes we'll read in a second. What else do we got going on here? We'll read in a second. Get to the box. Okay. So, as this works its way around, you add your sticker to it. So, we will add ours. Minnesota is Rust.
Boom.
Next to Drain Plug and Honest Peyton. Bam! We'll add that there. Very cool.
This is very extremely technical.
So, we have feet and legs. Look at that. Little pokey.
That's not sharp.
Look at that. So, now we need to decide, what do we do next? Do we do a body? Do we do arms? Like, what do we do with what we have here?
I like the electrical tape. Professional.
Yes, very sharp in both ways. Very cool.
Yeah.
So, more to come soon, but right now, Project Metalhead has made its way to Minnesota is Rust.